So this is just a short clip. That's where we're sitting. And my phone is charging. It's actually plugged in to there. And this guy driving. Yeah, no. So my phone's plugged in, so it should be good. I'm not gonna record everything, not 100%, but it's a pretty nice view. Filming with this link in. There we go. That's back there. And I'll pause and resume once we're about to start pushback. We haven't started pushback yet, but you see that next to us? We were on the Boeing 737-ER, and I think that aircraft right there is another the same. I mean, it just came here. See the jetways going towards it, you know, connect with it. What's going on? Phone's still charging. Every time an announcement is made, like wherever you're doing a pause, it says announcements in progress. I guess it's just so you pay attention to it, I guess. Yeah. What's my battery right now? 52%. Alright, so we're good. It's a small plane taking off. Try to get a glimpse of it.
But she still has his contact.
There's so many planes here, it's like crazy. So, cut and count back to whatever. Keep climbing. Delta. Yes. Yes. Hey, the screen's finally loaded. Welcome to Delta. Thank you. Wait. Like Blair. My mom and my brother are sitting in front of us. We're not moving. In fact, people are still getting to the seats. Yay! Good afternoon. Thank you for shooting down. Thank you. I am English. Yes. Oh. Uh-oh. Oh, my flight. I want to go on my flight. Yes. Flight trigger. Yes. Does it work now? I wonder if it does. Oh. Oh wow, okay. Let's make it, well, that's too much. Alright, let's start here. Alright, that's where we are now. Right now we're gonna hit it all the way to the West Coast. Soon. Soon. Hit it all the way there. Yeah. Soon.
Luggage stowed.
Just doing stuff.
If you're using a computer, please turn it off and stow it underneath the seat or
I'm not
overhead.
using a computer.
And if you have using a portable electronic device, please make sure that it's in airplane mode.
Charging. I have some statistic stuff. You gotta know. You gotta talk here about that.
Flight attendants prepare for departure, cross check and all call.
Announcement. And I see, we're not at sea level, like at all. We are above sea level. It's not that hot out either. Something looks good here. There's people getting ready to do stuff. People getting ready to start the flight. We're right on the engine. Well, that was weird. We just went forward a bit for some odd reason. Like, we just did. I don't know why, but for some reason we did. Like, we just went forward for a bit. Like, why are we kidding? I wasn't recording, but we just did. That is weird. Isn't Kong Skull the ride we went on in Islands of Adventure?
That's cool, right?
Yeah.
I'm gonna watch that one. I haven't seen it.
You ever seen the movie?
No.
Alright, pushback time.
What are you gonna watch?
Focus, damn it. Okay,
I'm
thank
gonna
you.
watch Snow Island because I haven't watched that one before. What are you gonna watch?
What about Jackson?
I don't know yet.
They have Guardians
Maybe
of the
that.
Good
Galaxy.
afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome aboard. This is Delta Flight
What's Carter gonna watch?
Watching
2381, service to San Francisco. My name is Dee Dee Saffron, the flight leader today, and I'm assisted by 3 other San Francisco-based flight attendants. Captain Rob White is in
What did that
command
say?
of the
It's
flight.
not charging.
Performing flight time will be 4 hours
It's
and
still
42
charging.
minutes.
Yeah, it's long
We
enough.
direct your
Long
attention
enough.
to the video monitors throughout the aircraft as we review the safety features of this Boeing 737-900.
ER. As the book thing, the safety book about it calls it. That's what it is. Pushback is done. I think.
The spirit of
No,
innovation
no
drives
copyright.
us to
No
rise
copyright.
for the sun.
I hear it in the background, but no, 100% copyright.
Designing, building, testing, rethinking the possible. We're 80,000 strong, striving each day, every day, to create the future of aircraft.
This is like the busiest airport in the world.
We are Delta. And together, we keep climbing for you.
Keep climbing, keep climbing. Oh,
Hello, and thanks for flying with Delta. Our first priority on every flight is safety, so before we depart, we'll be giving a brief safety presentation. Okay, be sure all carry-on items are securely stowed in an overhead bin. And place smaller items under the seat in front of you. And ensure all aisles, exits, and bulkhead areas are clear. In the event of an emergency, remember to leave all carry-on items behind.
If you're seated at an emergency exit, please review the responsibilities for emergency exit seating on the back of the safety information card, which is in your seat pocket. Are you willing and able to assist with the operation of the exit if necessary?
Yes.
If you're unable to perform these functions, please let us know and we'd be happy to find you another seat.
As we leave the gate, make sure your seatbelt is fastened. To
Done.
fasten, insert the metal tip into the buckle and adjust the strap so it's low and tight across your lap. To release the belt, just lift the top of the buckle. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened anytime the seatbelt sign is on. And even if the sign is off, just keep your seatbelt fastened in case we experience unexpected rough air.
For everyone's safety, federal regulations require all passengers to comply with the posted placards and lighted information signs located throughout the cabin, in addition to any crew member instructions.
Smoking, including the use of e-cigarettes, is not allowed on any Delta flight. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying a restroom smoke detector. There are 8 exits on this plane, 4 doors, 2 on each side, and 4 window exits over the wings. The 4 doors have detachable slides that can be used for flotation. Life rafts are located in ceiling compartments at the front and center of the plane.
All exits are clearly marked with an exit sign. However, if there's a loss of power and cabin visibility is reduced, lights will illuminate the aisle to guide you to an exit. Please take a moment to find the exits closest to you, and remember, they might be behind you.
It's unlikely, but if cabin pressure changes, the panels above your seat will open, revealing oxygen masks. If this happens, reach up and pull a mask towards you until the tube is fully extended. Place the mask over your nose and mouth, slip the elastic strap over your head, and adjust the mask if necessary. Breathe normally, and note that oxygen is flowing.
Seats are either in a compartment beneath or adjacent to your seat.
yep, here we go.
Use,
We're moving.
remove the vest from its container
We're
by
moving.
pulling on the tab and then opening the pouch.
We're moving.
Slip the vest over your head, wrap the strap around your waist, attach it to the buckle in front, and adjust loosely around your waist. As you leave the plane, inflate the vest by pulling down on the red tab at the bottom of the vest, or manually inflate it by blowing into the tube at shoulder level. A water-activated light is attached to each vest. If necessary, we'll distribute additional life vests for children who weigh 35 pounds or less.
Now, before we take off, be sure your seat is upright, your aisle armrests and headrests are lowered, your tray table is put away, and all carrying items are properly stowed.
As we come through the cabin for our final safety check, please let us know if you have any questions. And finally, now would be a good time for everyone to review the safety information card, which is in your seat pocket.
On behalf of everyone at Delta Airlines,
Oh.
we want to thank you for paying attention.
They are.
Now, as we prepare for takeoff, please relax and enjoy your flight.
Okay. Keep climbing. Hell yeah. I don't know how many close the window. But it's fine. I have this one here to look at. Some might be longer than the landing I just did by Delta Jets. Okay. Should still be charging. Yep, it's actually going up. Even though I'm using the phone, it's still going up. Even though I'm using the phone. On charge. Southwest over there. Whoa. Like on. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, 35 p.m. 3:35 and 3 left. 3:35? 3:53. Nope, it's 3:53, not 3:35. There's a control tower and there's some big planes over there. Jacksoning pretty quickly here. I should jump cut just to save space. Now passing by.
Ladies and gentlemen, from the flight deck, we are fifth in line for takeoff. Flight attendants, please prepare the cabins for departure.
Fifth line. So we're flying the flight Delta jets, and there's actually 2 airplanes in there. I should put the one up with them. I think they might be going under repairs or something. That is what might be going on. Fine, then this is flight Delta jets. So, oh my. There's a plane here, and there's another one in there. But what's that in there? Is that a real thing in there? Like, can you guys see that? I see. There's a plane in there. It's hard to see, but it's shaded, but it's in there. Then there's one here. This one's an Airbus. The other one's a Boeing 737. And there's another airplane in there. Probably also. Look, looks like I'm going under work. It's probably like maintenance or something. Probably like maintenance. There's another building. Aircraft landing in the distance. I'm checking out if there's landing. There's Delta logo there. There's another plane down there. Jeez. Well, we are in the, what I've been told, the busiest airport in the whole world. A lot of terminals in this. Oh my god, there's a big airplane down there. There's a big one down there. Let's see, we're 5th in line for takeoff. So apparently there's a line here. I'm going to probably come back a few times. And I have a few times just once. There's an airplane down there, I'm not sure what it's doing. Oh my god, there's other planes, I can see them because the tip of the wings. If I go back enough, you can see it. You guys can't really see it, but I can. Let me try. Oh yeah, I can't do it. But there is a line. There's like 2 Southwest planes in front of us, so there is a line here. It's really dark in here. But we are in line. There's like 2 Southwest planes in front of us. There's some kind of Delta plane down there. I'm not sure what it's doing. But I'm gonna jump cut to when it's our turn. I'm gonna come back and it's our turn to go onto the runway. I think we're next to go. I think we're next in line to go onto the runway. I think we're next because it's like we're turning. So we might be next. Might be next. Ooh, relax there. Relax. Chill out. I don't think this is the runway here. It definitely doesn't look like it. This label is indicating oh, there it is. Yeah, we're next. I can see that there's the arrow design on there. I don't see a plane coming for it. So we will need to wait for another plane. Yeah, this is the runway right here. This is the runway. We're going to have to wait for another plane to take off. And it was probably like 5th in line to take off or something. Apparently the line is not moving that slow. This is gonna be longer than the landing for sure. Now we're gonna wait here until we're clear to take off. That's why if you play Roblox airport games, they say clear for takeoff. That's in real life. Guess you guys couldn't shoot, so maybe do that. But for those that didn't, there you go. Jeez, this is like, it's charging pretty well when I'm using it at the same time. It's like, it's gone up by 1%. It's because I'm using it. So it hasn't gone down yet. It should like reserve storage in here for landing and other videos. Alright. But hopefully it shouldn't be too long. Should not be too long. Let me update the map on my thing. I have the map enabled for flight tracker. Just wondering why we haven't left Atlanta yet, but it's almost time to depart Atlanta and head on our way. Suppose we're taking off in that direction, which is almost the second direction where we need to go. Almost. Strawberry jump cut. This is getting really long very quickly. I feel like we're about to go though. I feel like I feel like if I pause, then I have to come back right away. I think it's almost our turn though. I think it is. I think it's almost. Oh, I heard something. I felt. Oh, I think it's it. Oh, I think we're coming. Oh, here we go. We're good. Here we go, guys. Record a whole flight. That'd be way too long of a video. My phone can't do it. My phone just can't do it. Oh my god, this turn is so sharp. Jesus. meant to stop recording. That was by accident. Alright, I'll see you guys when we land in San Francisco.